We've got breaking news just coming in. A day after UAE consulate gunman in Kerala attempted suicide, a magistrate has recorded his statement in connection with the Kerala gold scam. He is still in the hospital and the police have not questioned him. While being taken to the hospital, he told the police that he is innocent and has no role in the gold smuggling case. Call records show that he was in touch with Kerala gold scam mastermind Swapna Suresh. Jaya Ghosh's relative claim that Jaya Ghosh told them in the past 2 or 3 days is that he's being threatened. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Gopi Krishnan Unnithan is joining us, breaking the story first here on India Today. Gopi, tell us the new twist that is coming in the Kerala gold scam case. The breaking news coming in as to how the magistrate has recorded a statement in connection with the Kerala gold scam.
Well, yesterday we saw yet another episode of drama unfolding in connection with this case. It was actually the attempted suicide by Jaya Ghosh. So Jaya Ghosh was actually the gunman to UAE Consulate General in Charge attaché who is believed to have left the country 5 days back. So a day after the news broke out that this attaché has left the country, he has not communicated to the investigation team or any of the local authorities here, but he has left. There was a lot of suspicion and questions being raised towards the gunman who has been part of this UAE consulate. He is actually a Kerala police official. The Kerala police is actually the agency which is providing this gunman and other police staff to this UAE consulate. So he has been working as part of the UAE consulate for quite a long time now, and there was a lot of questions which was raised towards him, and there was also a lot of suspicion on he has some involvement in this case. So day before yesterday late night, his family raised a complaint with the local police station that he has gone missing. So that was the first episode of the drama. And later, 17 hours later, yesterday morning at around 11:30, he was found in an injured condition with his arm slit, and he was not in an emotionally stable stage. He was randomly speaking something, and it was very difficult for the police to even carry him and take him to the hospital. And at the hospital, we have now been told that the magistrate has recorded a statement. So that is actually as part of the CRPC proceedings, and that will certainly have a validity. It is not actually a statement that is actually being taken by the police, but a magistrate. So during the course of investigation, it will be very difficult. Even if this person wants to alter that particular statement, it becomes very difficult.
All right, hold on right there. There's been a stunning new twist in the Kerala gold smuggling case. It's full of twists and full of turns. It is now been revealed that Swapna...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.